today I'm going to show you how to whip up 3 fire body nourishing juices using ingredients you can find at any local grocery store. For today's juicing session, we're going to be using the Kuvings AUTO10, my current juicer of choice. Alright, let's jump into our first recipe. We'll be using sugar beet apples, blackberries, ginger, and key lime. If you can't find sugar beet apples, Honeycrisp is an excellent substitute. Generally, I don't use berries for juice as they don't yield much, and they're better off blended into smoothies, but a small amount combined with more robust produce works just fine. With the AUTO10, I placed them at the bottom, topped with the heavier produce. Pressure. This is it, family. Moving on to our second recipe, we'll be combining apples, oranges, and at the very end, a dash of Ceylon cinnamon. Cheers, family. Nice. Our third concoction is a refreshing mix of dandelion greens, green apple, cucumber, ginger, and key lime. Dandelion greens can be a bit sharp in its bitterness, but no worries. This blend's got it covered. Everything balances out nicely. This is fire. One of my favorite green juice mixes. You gotta try this. I would say give it a go with romaine lettuce swapped in for the dandelion greens once in a while. I guarantee it will become one of your go-to green juice mixes. Remember, it's all about making the most of what's readily available. Thanks for joining me today. But yeah, until next time, peace, God.